Hello guys, I purchased this product from toogood.com. Toogood, and it's Oneplus 2 4GB 64GB version, and I purchased it on offer, and its price was 5,400, and it was prepaid, and that's why I got a 540 rupees cashback, and I got this product on 4,860 rupees. Look, it's prepaid and it's sealed box. I just cut it and it's totally sealed. So Toogood is a platform under Flipkart, so its packaging is almost like Flipkart, only the logos and templates are different. Let's unbox. And the product was in good condition. I hope I will receive a average product that I can use easily. Let's use that card. Toogood usually don't supply the official boxes, and they supplied the Toogood boxes. And look, it's, you will notice its pricing here. It's 12,999. Oneplus 2 64GB 4GB version, and its grading is good. Let's go for the unbox. The bill, its pricing. Keep that at a side and look on the box. The box is not too bad, and to speak the truth, it's really good. Let's check that smartphone if it comes good or bad. Here comes the smartphone itself. Let's keep that for a side for a while and check what else are in the box. There's nothing here. Wow, it's a SIM remover pin. Those it don't need a SIM remover tool. Ha, it's funny. Keep that here. Nothing in that. And it's some paperwork and the warranty card from Toogood. Look, they mentioned that they have 47 quality checks on all products, and it's also ISO certified Refurbished facility. It's Flipkart assured and Flipkart Smart by charger. Look at the power supply. It's 5V 2A. Also, that means it's a 10W charger, and the cable is 30 rupees cable. Usually we found these cables at 20 or 30 rupees at the local market. Okay, then come at the device. On that, it's not too bad. There's a mark on that here, and you could find a little mark also there. You should remember that it's a good quality smartphone, not the unboxed like new or superb quality. And also a mark here, and the slider is working properly, I think. Let's boot up the device. it's the laser focusing system, and the camera also have an OIS. Here's the noise cancellation and the headphone jack, and it's the USB Type C. Let's skip this. Next, skip that. Let's check the fingerprint. Don't show. Let's check the fingerprint. I think it should work because they had checked in 47 OS and then they gave that to me, and I think the fingerprint is working nicely. Done. Next, use software buttons. No, I should use the physical buttons. Double tap to work, and I will set that next time. Just skip for now. Wow, look at that. Then let's check if the fingerprint is working. First time it should record a pin. Okay, then use the fingerprint. Yeah, it's working. Let's go for the camera. Working properly. Yes, it's working. And the front camera is also okay. Nice to see. Now guys, the task response is also good, I say. Yeah, and the recent apps button, it's the recent apps, and that's the back button. Okay, and the slider is also working. Yeah, it's silent. It's the priority calls only, and it's the normal version. Okay, now guys, I will give my opinion, and it's the luck, I say. I have received a very good product overall, no problem at all, because when you are paying a less amount, then you won't receive a unboxed product like new product, and it's okay. But in other reviews I have found that someone saying that they have received a dead Micromax phone while they have ordered the Oneplus 2. Some said that the product they received are not working properly, such as that that navigation buttons are not working properly. Some said that their cellular network is not coming, and I have not yet tested the cellular network, but I think it should work. However, bye bye guys, and keep your opinions in the comment section, and bye for now.